Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at solving inequalities and how you can compare two quantities easily. Firstly, make sure you've checked out my Intro to Algebra video before watching this, and a link to that video will be in the description. So firstly, what is an inequality and what is the difference between inequalities and equations? Well, an inequality is basically an equation where both sides are unequal to each other. So instead of using the equal sign like an equation does, inequalities use the greater than sign, the less than sign, the greater than equal to sign, and the less than or equal to sign. And another difference is that there is variation when solving inequalities with negative numbers. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number in an inequality, the inequality sign is flipped. We're going to be taking a look at more about that later. Basically, this greater than sign would become this less than sign, this greater than equal to sign would become the less than or equal to sign, and vice versa. So here we also have a visual of the difference. An equation is x equals 2, which means that x is equal to 2. And here the inequality states that x is greater than equal to 2, which means that x is 2 or any value greater than that. So here let's just take a look at the inequality symbols. So this symbol with the arrow pointing to the right is greater than. This symbol is less than. This symbol means greater than or equal to because it's written with a greater than sign and half of an equal sign. And this symbol means less than or equal to. Now that we've taken a look at that, let's solve an inequality. Here our problem is that minus 4x plus 5 is greater than 2x plus 9. The first thing you need to do, as we've done in algebra, is to subtract 5 from both sides. So we subtract 5 here, we subtract 5 here, and we get negative 4x is greater than 2x plus 4. Now let's subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 2x is 0. And negative 4x minus 2x is going to be negative 6x. So now we have minus 6x is greater than 4. Now to isolate this x, we need to divide both sides of this inequality by 6 and by negative 6. But because we are dividing by a negative number, you also need to flip the direction of the inequality. So instead of the sign being a greater than sign, it's going to be a less than sign. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 is 1, and 4 divided by negative 6 is negative 2 over 3. So our answer to this inequality is that x is less than negative 2 over 3. So this inequality is true when this condition is met. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.